सो हम स्पीड, डिस्टेंस एंड टाइम बेसिक से पढ़ते जाएंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम देखेंगे क्या क्या फार्मूलाज रिक्वायर्ड, व्हाट आर द फार्मूलाज विच आर रिक्वायर्ड टू सॉल्व द स्पीड, डिस्टेंस, टाइम काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। सो द बेसिक फार्मूला, इसी एक फार्मूले पे कोई भी एनी काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू कैन सॉल्व। सो द फार्मूला इज स्पीड इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन time. So this is the formula through which you can solve any kind of question related to the speed, distance and time. And you can do the conversions like time is equals to distance upon speed, and distance is equals to speed into time. So these are the formulas through which we can solve any kind of the problems related to the speed, distance and time. These are the basic formulas. And another thing that we need to learn in speed, distance and time is conversion, how to convert from one unit to another unit. So basically whenever the question is given, it may be given in kilometer per hour or meter per second, and you have to convert it according to your question requirement. So for example, we can, next topic is unit conversion. So for example, if something is given in kilometer per hour, you need to convert into meter per second. Then simply multiply that speed by 5 by 18. How this comes, I will explain it later. And if something is given in meter per second, then you have to convert, if you have to convert it into किलोमीटर पर सेकंड, तब आप उसे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो 18/5 से। और ये नंबर कैसे आया, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन। सो बेसिकली वी नो दैट 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 मीटर एंड 1 आवर इज इक्वल्स टू 60 into 60 seconds, which is 3600 second. And if we convert this into meter per second, then it's around 1000 upon 3600. And if we cut 00 with that, it becomes 5 by 18. So whenever we have to convert the higher unit to the lower unit, then we need to multiply it 5 by 18. And similarly, if we need to convert it from meter per second to kilometer per hour, then we need to multiply it 18 by 5, reciprocal of the first one. So these are the basic formulas that we need to solve any kind of the problem related to the speed, distance and time. For example, we can take an example. Suppose given is 72 kilometer per hour, and we need to convert into meter per second. So we directly do the multiply with 5 by 18, and it directly cuts with 4, and the answer is 20 meter per second. So this is a simple conversions which required while solving the problems. And the more और इसके अलावा हमें और क्या क्या सीखना है, that crossing problems. बेसिकली पीपल मतलब कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं इसका मतलब क्या हुआ। सो उसके बेसिक्स आप पहले ही क्लियर करके रखो। तो पहला क्या है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर हमें डिस्टेंस नहीं दिया हुआ है, तो अगर लेंथ ऑफ ट्रेन दिया हुआ है इन क्वेश्चन, देन दैट लेंथ ऑफ ट्रेन इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस। वही जो लेंथ दिया हो ट्रेन का, वही डिस्टेंस बन जाएगा। और ये कब होगा, जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे क्वेश्चन ट्रेन क्रॉसिंग अ पोल और मैन। जब भी क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा ए ट्रेन क्रॉसिंग अ पोल और मैन, किसी इंसान को या किसी खंबे को क्रॉस कर रही है, देन द लेंथ ऑफ द ट्रेन इज इक्वल्स टू द डिस्टेंस। जब भी वो लंबाई जो ट्रेन की दी हुई है उसी को हम उसका दूरी मानेंगे। और फार्मूला तो हम सबको पता है, टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू लेंथ ऑफ ट्रेन, उसी को हम डिस्टेंस मानेंगे, डिवाइडेड बाय स्पीड। That's it. This is when the question is giving train crossing a pole or man. Another type of question is train crossing platform. What if it is given? Then the distance becomes, अगर ट्रेन प्लेटफॉर्म को क्रॉस कर रही है तो डिस्टेंस बन जाएगा लेंथ ऑफ द ट्रेन प्लस लेंथ ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म. And then we know that how to calculate the time is equals to length of train plus length of platform. ये हो जाएगा हमारा डिस्टेंस और डिवाइडेड बाय स्पीड. This gives us the time taken by the train to cover that distance. And third type of question is when the two trains crossing each other. So what are we supposed to do then? So when two trains cross each others, then we have to use the relative speed, and it depends upon the conditions. So yeah, when two trains crossing each, so first condition is when there is the same direction. अगर दोनों ट्रेन एक ही डायरेक्शन में जा रही हैं तब रिलेटिव स्पीड हो जाएगी, रिलेटिव स्पीड इज इक्वल्स टू s1 माइनस s2. रिलेटिव स्पीड मतलब अगर दोनों किसी स्पीड से किसी डायरेक्शन की तरफ जा रही है तो एक ट्रेन दूसरी ट्रेन को कब क्रॉस कर पाएगी, उसका एक्चुअल स्पीड क्या रहेगा. दोनों की जो स्पीड है, जिसकी ज़्यादा स्पीड है जिसकी कम स्पीड है, उनको सब्ट्रैक्शन कर दो, एक्चुअल स्पीड हमें पता चलेगी, मतलब कितनी गति से ट्रेन आगे बढ़ रही है. एंड अनदर क्वेश्चन इज, another type of question is opposite direction. If both the trains are coming to the opposite direction, then the relative speed becomes s1 plus s2, where s1 represents the speed of train 1 and s2 represents the speed of train 2. And the distance, we know that in both the cases distance is equals to the sum of the length of both the trains. दोनों की लेंथ को सम कर दो, that is the distance of the train. And these are the some basics to solve the problems related to the speed, distance and time for the train related problems. Today we will go through with some basic problems regarding the train problems. So the problem 1 which is given to us is a train of length 120 meter is running at 60 km per hour. How much time will it take to cross a pole? So it's a problem of pole, and then the length of the train becomes a distance and speed is already given. We have to calculate the time. So it's very simple. We know that first of all we need to convert the units. Here the speed is in kilometer per hour, but the distance is given in meter. So we need to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. So for that we have to multiply this with 5 by 18, which is approximately equal to 16.66 meter per second. This is our speed of train in meter per second. 66. And now we got a distance and a speed in the same unit. Now we calculate the time. Now we will calculate the time. So the time is equals to distance upon speed, which is equals to 120 divided by 16.66, which is approximately equal to 7.2 second. So the train required 7.2 second to cross a pole. So this is a simple questions. Just we need to apply the formula, nothing much. Just apply the formula and solve the problem. So the second question which we are going to do is, so the question is, a train of length 150 meter crosses a platform of 250 meter in 20 seconds. Find the speed of the train. So here we need to calculate the speed of the train. What is given is time is given, and length of the train and the platform length is given. So in these cases, the distance will become the length of the train plus length of the platform, and time is all time is already given, so we can easily calculate speed with the formula of speed is equals to distance upon time. So first we know that distance is equals to length of train plus length of platform, which is equals to 150 meter plus 250 meter becomes 400 meter. Now speed is equals to distance upon time, 400 divided by 20, which is equals to 20. So 20 meter per second is the speed of the train. This is the second problem. Now we will proceed for the third problem. So this is the problem number third. A train running at 72 km per hour speed से crossing a man standing on platform in 6 seconds. Find the length of the train. Length of the train basically means distance. We have to find the distance that train traveled. So simply speed is given, time is given. We just need to match the units and just multiplication of these two, and we will get the distance. So first we will convert 72 km per hour into meter per second. Directly 4, which is equals to 20 meter per second. Now we got the speed in meter per second. Just we need to calculate the distance, which is length of train. Multiply the both, 120 meter. So this is our length of the train. So today we solve just only basic problems to have a deep concept on what we learn, because अगर हम डायरेक्टली हार्ड लेवल क्वेश्चन पे जाएंगे तो हमारा कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होगा. फर्स्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व इजी क्वेश्चन, मीडियम लेवल क्वेश्चंस, देन गो फॉर द हार्ड लेवल क्वेश्चंस. In this way you can get a better approach and you will learn. The main thing, you will get interest, and interest comes only when you are understanding something. If everything goes bouncer from your head, it's of no use. So try learning some basic problems and then go for the hard problems. So in the next video I will teach some hard problems related to the train questions, where we need to calculate the time, speed and distance. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video so that more and more people will get benefit from this video. Thank you.